Welcome back to Asidi Hot on top of the senior brother for the television stations when inside the world. Wazobia Max UHF 57 and Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable. When they talk and say, if you dey watch us, don't be selfish or stingy. Call your loved ones and your family members everywhere when they're inside of Nigeria. Then feel they watch this program. You don't go worry about whether the grammar too much or whether you go fit talk and do anything be you for body. We know the fear. And now the topics when they affect all of us inside of Nigeria, we they discuss. The one we carry come today, now fuel scarcity, the good, the bad, and the ugly truth. The good when go come out from say we don't experience fuel scarcity and government don't put two leg down now say yes. They won't revamp our refineries and they go also build new ones. Make we know they suffer. The bad based on the suffer when plenty Nigerians they suffer and the fact say the thing they affect our economy and the ugly truth. Nigerians must understand say we go dey patient before the good or the change go come. But then again, nobody say we can't dey patient, can't down to mumu. We go let the government know say they promise us plenty things and we dey expect all these promises. Nobody go come do us kalu tell us say the promise no possible because when you dey promise them, your mouth no heavy you. And I know the person when they direct that statement too because it just be like saying I only promise, then they like to the promise. No use laughter cover am. No use laughter cover am. No use laughter. That's why your clothes. That's why your clothes rough.
Better
no
person,
light
better
to iron
person.
clothes. No fuel to power generator.
Better people waiting for this studio right now. Wait there now. Me and this humble man we start here. Talk with the talk. Just talk to breathe alone.
You no promise. You no promise.
So John,
no promise.
Talk to us.
Talk to what for what? Talk to why you no want to talk to Nigerians?
Chukudi.
29th yesterday make am 10 months. Fuel scarcity, everything, never, everything, heat, rain, they even fall for midnight. Something when not they happen before.
For that one get to waiting to get. I take relate with the present administration.
Why rain go they fall?
Not be natural thing for rain to fall.
Why rain go they fall without warning? Why rain go they fall without warning? You know what I said before?
I remember saying for this same platform, you go talk say chicken lost. They go blame Ogaduna. Kerosene lost. Soup lost for your kitchen. You go they blame Ogaduna. Right now, how rain take relate with the present administration?
One blame deserves another blame. Two of us.
Oh, one blame deserves another
blame. Rain go just begin to fall for midnight.
Nice
no breeze, no anything. Clap for yourself too for promising.
Don't worry.
I'm not telling you anything.
You were saying something there before. I person go talk better thing. You just carry yourself from there. Come the scatter talk over the talk. We were having a very good chat here. We don't worry you. Okay, I mean, back to our issue.
The seven process of change.
Seven process of change.
That's so funny. The reality we say change in our process. People they expect a lot in a short period of time. And if nothing just happen like that. We understand that change they always start with the first thing. Now consciousness.
That is awareness, you go know.
Awareness say that you have a problem. You understand? And we don't talk say the first problem in Nigeria get and be the one, you know, and president don't talk. We talk say if we don't kill corruption for Nigeria, corruption will kill Nigeria. And we all of us, all Nigerians don't get conscious, say problems day. Now to affect that change. And I believe say we don't do them. Because what we don't make a choice. Whether you talking a good choice or a bad choice, you understand? But the fact we say we don't make choice. After we don't make that choice for this change, we now have to chart a course.
Chart a course.
And I'm waiting the administration they do right now. You understand? When you build any building, first of all, you go draw plan. You understand? And at that planning stage, they very important. You know, if you make progress without planning. You understand? And I believe that we're at the stage where the government did. Now, you're going to want to say, oh, they supposed don't plan before they come. When they just enter government, they go to run like, you say, a person to chase them. But the fact we say, when you're outside, it go different from then you're inside.
Very true.
Your perspective go change.
Yes.
You understand? So if you don't make promises based on assertion, say, things day. But the fact we say, they enter their things change. Food oil prices go down.
Everything
the resources where they give students money do everything.
Say no day.
You know day, you understand? So things need to change. So after you don't chart that course, now the important thing we're supposed to do right now to communicate it.
Communication.
And you know saying that the problem where it's be like say they hurt many of the politicians right now. Even our humble president, you know, you don't make one or two kind statements so people don't really like.
They're not happy at all.
They're not really happy. But now how to communicate with knowing people they very, very, they are conscientious and they very, very, they are touchy on these matters because they expect results. You understand? Because it's very, very important. So we have to communicate well. And for everybody, how you go take communicate go day different. And this communication plan, it go be a lot of sensitization, a lot of awareness we will create to make sure that this thing they happen. And we have to encourage patriotism. But say tell me say now only when you day outside Nigeria where you day patriotic. Say some Nigeria
wanted to come use the private sector to call before we call local the thing will come in every year. No, I don't go to the produce. No other private sector companies they produce try to bring their own too. So competition would be it will enable the price to come down too. If don't go to increase the price, that's why if you know increase that money, increase that home. It will affect everybody. But if competition be it will
allow the market very healthy. Oga Bobby, thank you very much for your important contribution. We really appreciate the fact say even though you dey far away Amsterdam, the great passion wey you get for Nigeria, the thing they always they show on top of our city hot. We get Oga Dagogo. Oga Dagogo, they call us all the way from Surulere. Dagogo, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Now, good morning, my brother.
Good morning, Dagogo.
I beg more than no quarrel again. Yeah.
Okay.
Now him you go tell now. I'm a peace loving man.
Let him talk, please.
I'm a peace loving man. Which one is please? If they advise you, you don't want to take the advice.
This matter where we dey talk now, this government never really tell us the truth of the matter. The way why they see them.
Okay.
The way we do how they see this, it just be like when we dey small, when we do one kind play for night, where they say boju, hey, know that kind of a thing. When this government come, you know, they tell us a refinery done the work.
Exactly.
Now, what thing they happen to that refinery? I can't ask my friend, say, refinery don't turn to pumping machine, where they go just rewind the coil, put them on them, then start to the.
You work for 1 month, then you don't come work again.
They tell us, say, light don't day, you see, and demand don't come, light don't day. Now, what thing they happen? For the past how many months now, we have been running on this fuel scarcity. I can't ask the refinery where they say where they work, where it is. They say they don't remove subsidy. If you remove the subsidy, the marketers, then you allow them to sell their product the way they bring it. Abi? The marketers allow them to say, my brother, they talk, say, the marketers, they buy for 100 naira. So what do you say? You won't make the concept for 86 naira, be 85 naira. Allow them to say either 150. Who wants to say 150? Make it say. Who wants to say
very true. Oga Dagogo, thank you very much for this your important contribution. Just like our Ogbonge visitor don't talk, the government must put all the things in place when go ensure say even though then they sell, they no exploit people, and Nigerians go fit get this product if they won't buy them. We get Chibuzo. Chibuzo, they call us all the way from Owerri. Oga Chibuzo, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chibuzo.
Oga Chibuzo, this your voice sound like who they buy fuel like 150
I never for 150 now. What did I go do now? No, wait till government is going to cut for us.
150 per liter.
Now what do we go do now? Like as we businessmen now, we hope to keep our business going on.
Hey.
Okay.
So
Oga Chibuzo, we hear you. Contribute.
The problem we have in this country is our government. So they are not doing us well. They are teaching us well. How can they come out and tell us we're going to buy fuel at 86 naira 50 kobo? Why the dealers, when they go to the depot, they will buy 100 naira, 100 and something naira. They come and say to us, 150 naira. You know, it's very, very bad now.
Very true. Oga Chibuzo,
so
we don't know.
There is our government. Our government is the people that are leading us in this country.
Oga Chibuzo, we don't know this is your important contribution. Thank you very much. We appreciate it.
I'm very, very annoyed with our government.
Very true. Oga Chibuzo, not to vex. We feel understand the sentiment of Oga Chibuzo because now the government they control the apparatus and apparatchik of state. And the person, it just be like Papa when we say now be head of the family when they take care of his children. If you don't do what he's supposed to, wahala go there like that.
Exactly. We get Oga Samali. Oga Samali, they call us. Good morning, Samali.
Yeah, I don't like it. What are you discussing?
Oga Samali, we discuss the fuel scarcity situation, the good, the bad, and like, the ugly truth.
I'm hearing you.
We discuss the fuel scarcity situation. What do you think of the whole matter?
The fuel situation? You see, maybe they say make Ibe Kachuku they go. Ibe Kachuku is the junior minister in that ministry.
Okay.
If they say make Ibe Kachuku they go, that means the minister in charge Are you hearing me?
With the year.
You should go too. Even I'm just discussing with my neighbor here now. This man has failed us. Let's agree. He's joining out of Nigeria, get to learn how to Washington. Is it governing Nigeria? Is it ruling the affairs of this country outside the of this country?
Oga Samani, we don't notice your important point, and like we dey talk about Aside, everybody get the right to express their own personal opinion. If in your view you feel say based on the situation when they happen now, say Oga Presido no try, you go good make we point am out say government dey exist in continuum. Now wetin you collect from this other person, and then you go consolidate on top of their achievements, or you go repair some of the bad things wey happen. So make we wait. Look the whole situation well before we decide say na like this e go be or na so e no go be, but you hold your opinion and we respect am. Oga Oke dey call us all the way from Calabar. Oga Oke, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Oga Oke, good morning.
Good morning, Kobe.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Chairman. Welcome to the studio.
Good morning, well done.
Make a shoot man small.
Feel free.
You see a situation with death on ground now for this our country. They give man headache. They push person around. You don't even know where to start. But one thing with me, I believe in life is something will go good. It's always be hard. And without sweat, we never find sweet. So if you truly want to change, your country, you need to be pushing in a way that those people you are governing, you are ruling, will also understand with you. Know the area you're heading to.
True.
Maybe she go come out for media, talk anyhow, concern you. No, that's not the way. Those to success hardworking way. I think we are pushing to that area. But make government do something. Understand, say, you get people where they rule also. And those people, they suffer.
Very
I don't just say, these people, they suffer this West thing. Okay, now, I'm missing in national these days. NEPA no day. People will go use wash on a no day. Now, as I talk to you now, buy a list at 200 naira. I'm watching people with my generator. I'm not watching electricity. So it's very, very hard. The life over here in Nigeria now don't they hard to the masses. So I pray that God will deliver us and make things easier for us. Thank you.
Very true.
Thank you very much, Oga Oke.
We thank you, say you even use prayer, just like always, wrap up the whole situation. But God don't give us the sense to change all the bad things when we face for our country. We get Oga Ernest. Oga Ernest, they call us all the way from K2. Oga Ernest, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Good morning, Ernest.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah,
Good
we hear
greeting.
I
you.
dey hello. When I get fuel for that side,
We get light, no worry,
You
no
want
fear.
come collect?
I won't come collect. As in the situation for here.
Okay.
But seriously, I got to say something. As in for some places, fuel dey. Let me say fuel no dey. Fuel they get fuel plenty. But the thing be say they go just open their shop for night. Make they come sell for those who will say they want sell for gallon. They come sell at the rate of 180
At a higher price.
per liter. At very high rate. Make they sell that time at very late in the night. Then early in the morning to afternoon. As in this thing just be bad as it be. I don't say as this our junior minister for petroleum make him no start with this in Quagmire, make him know, if you can't talk this one, they can't talk on that thing. At least just give us a direction. If you know say na 2 months, we go wait for
Make we look after the 2 months.
for the 2 months. If you know say na that 7th or 6th of April, give us that direction. Maybe if we come day for us. People are suffering and it is too much.
Very true.
Thank you
Oga
very
Ernest,
much.
thank you very much
Thank
for
you
your
very,
important
very much,
contribution. We
Ernest.
dey note all the
Thank
talk when everybody dey carry come. We get Oga Tunde. Oga Tunde, they call us from Tony. Tony, they call us inside this Lagos. Oga Tony, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Tony, good morning.
Oga Tony, you dey there? Be like say Oga Tony network. Oga Tony, you dey there?
Good morning, Tony.
It be like say the network no gree. Oga Tony making an important contribution. Oga Jamin, you don't hear. You can. I go speak English. You can feel the pulse of the nation from Calabar, from Amsterdam, far away outside the country. People they look this situation, and that's something when we say a lot of Nigerians no enjoy this particular experience. And wetin plenty people they call for now say if government come out make them talk am the way anything be. But as they talk am as it take be, make direction the day. Make we no wake up, they hear this, and make we know they hear that. And we hear the example of what Oga Ernest just give about people when we say they sell for night to those when go sell black market by day.
And at a higher price.
And at a higher price. And this one shows say like you talk, if the person buy am for this particular rate and you can't talk say make you sell am for 86 naira 50 kobo. Now him be say for the very foundation something dey very wrong.
Exactly.
They need to make these things clear, make Nigerians understand. Because I know that it could be, you go explain. When we rush, enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back, all the people when go call, I did very, very sure say, when I go direct to a question, give Nkubi, the man of promise. We don't know whether fail now the surname, when they come back. Promise and fail people. No light, no nothing.
Stop there! The palace is like a maze. There's no way out.
The one who couldn't be faithful to her brother-in-law because of the greed of the throne cannot be loyal to my granddaughter as well. I will not help you in this evil deed ever.
To get the total package of your #1 talk, news, and sports radio station, visit our website at www.nigeriainfo.fm.
Welcome back to Aside Hall. From here where we stand so now, the final bus stop on top of the Ogbonge program line with the CISO, and we discuss the fuel scarcity situation inside Obodo, Nigeria. The good, the bad, and the ugly
Chukudi. In as much as this problem, they affect everybody. In as much as they affect me as Nigerian, they affect you. I don't know whether they affect you.
I know. I don't know. Say you be Nigerian. I don't know. Say you be Nigerian. In as much as they affect everyone. Now they break for your eye.
Do I look like
March 30th, 9 days break for eye. Since the start of March when Nigerians they somebody say, what do you talk about this program? Making up excuses, making up confusing Nigerians, using abracadabra situation.
Increase price of
you are part of them. When they come here, they tell us
what do you mean?
You are listening.
We wanted a government that will be different from the regulars, from the same old system.
When old system they will know they get scarcity. Old system they is available. What is called different now?
Chukudi, please don't see. I will keep using this phrase. Don't pick on me.
Are you beans? Pick on you because you are beans. Pick on you because you are a goosey.
Please.
Don't pick on you.
See, I always give you this proverb.
No, they give me any proverb. No be village meeting with it. We are discussing issues affecting Nigeria.
Good morning. Somebody is calling us. Ajayi from Abuja. Good morning, Ajayi.
You better apologize to Oga Ajayi now.
On what ground? Good morning, Ajayi.
Good morning, Kubi.
Yes, talk to us. We hear you.
Yeah. This issue of this 5,000 employment.
The issue of what?
This issue of 5,000 naira.
Okay. Okay.
I just want to believe that the APC government, they don't have plan for that issue. When they are saying this thing, they are saying it for talking sake. Now, let's start it from different angles. If you want to give somebody 5,000 naira, on what basis? Because if people are saying that they should put those people on learning something of a thing. But if you want to go and learn something, you must provide some things apart from that 5,000 naira.
Very true.
In which you need to provide food, shelter, and transportation for the person.
Very true.
Let's use Abuja for example. You have somebody to go and learn something within Abuja metropolis. And you know that the Abuja metropolis is not meant for poor person. And those people that you want to talk to for that thing, they are just a poor person because none of them is rich. Because if they reach, they will not go and look for government
Very true.
assistance.
Oga Ajayi, we appreciate this angle where you carry the talk come from. All this one follow for promises and promises when we say they drop before the election, but it can't be like say now what will they focus on at the fuel scarcity matter, but we don't note that particular point. Yeah. Halima, they call us all the way from Kaduna. Halima, good morning and welcome to As City Hot.
Good morning, Chukdi.
Good morning, Halima.
Halima, you get fuel?
Yeah, Nasia.
I got light, Abi.
They try for that one small.
Okay.
I contribute to the hear you.
And so this Minister of Petroleum, now the man can't make the situation worse too.
How?
So since he announced the fuel scarcity issue go reach 2 months, now everybody they can't hide and hold them. They make fuel. At least the cute thing, God was intervening gradually. What is his motive and what is he doing about the situation? Since the announcement, 9 fuel reach 1,000 that market too. You either buy or you leave them.
Wow. Wow.
So at least that kind of announcement at times is not good for the public.
Yeah, exactly. So I was going to say that.
Halima, thank you very much for this, your important contribution. We don't note your points. Because of time, we get Oga Wahab from Apapamo just using call wrap up before we allow our guest talk. Oga Wahab, good morning and welcome to our City Hot.
I give everybody.
Good morning, Wahab.
Yeah. How was it?
Will they try?
I'm really blessing you people for well done you.
Thank you.
You see, the problem of this Nigeria, is, in fact, I don't know how to control. But this government has already told Nigeria that all our refineries, they are okay. Isn't it? But now, we are now hearing that before our refineries can be okay, in 2018. Why it could be like that? That definitely this government are tricking Nigeria upside down. The way this government are tricking Nigeria now, it's like maybe you want to plant something. After you have already put something you want to plant on the land, somebody come and pour on top of that thing. How and pour block on top of that thing. How will it be?
This question we don't ask now. Now waiting, we go call them food for thought. We go hold them and we go just allow by way of conclusion. We go allow our Ogbonge visitor with all the things where you don't talk, don't drop down. We go like make you just encourage Nigerians. Say even though we got to be here for some time, and make I speak some kind in UK, we got to be here for some time. But it go good make we also still they contribute for the discussion. They talk. They let government know say we not go just fold our arms. Make them tell us say this date, that date. We go demand more from them until everything's set for this country.
Absolutely. The government has to be held accountable for every situation where they now. Now the thing where we don't talk, we say Mr. Wahab just talk about continuity. Now you know me because new party come into power. That means policy we did there before. Now rubbish policy. You understand? So even though it's a different party, there must be continuity.
The good ones.
Yeah, so the good ones, you understand, and the bad ones you dump them.
Very true.
You understand? So I believe right now that they need to revisit that NMPC, that Petroleum Act. You understand? To ensure, and that's from National Assembly, to ensure that the things we dey inside the law. Because some things, even the government, they are bound by the law. No be everything they want to.
Yeah, they are bound by the law.
You understand? So they need to amend those things when it comes to the subsidy, when it comes to the local refineries. All these things are essential for economic growth. Now, someone talked, I spoke about the change process, saying our consciousness, now to make choice, now to chart the course. You understand? But people are saying now at times, we go communicate before we chat.
True.
You understand? True. After we communicate and people come here waiting the happen, we will come back and chat. So the government is to have master plan. Do have here the government's administration, we get smart people for Nigeria. If not only for Nigeria, we get Nigerians with the diaspora like myself and other people, intelligent people where they there. We won't contribute. The time where President Buhari come London, I did there with them there. He talks say now diasporans that diasporans ask them say which way can we contribute toward national development. People there in Scotland, because you know, for Scotland, most of the big companies there, the Nigerians, they work there too. You understand? They help the UK industry there.
They build their own economy.
Exactly. What they know if it come. Now, the best thing we do be say, we go get our expertise from around the world to find solution. Not be only the we go be the one to find solution. Or President Buhari. Now, every one of us will come together and cause that change. Because after you don't communicate, that communicating the change will be important. After you do that, now the challenge process we will face now. Everybody they feel the pain. You understand? It's easy to just make choice. We vote you into power, but that challenge, you know, easy to go through. After we don't cross that challenge stage now, what we need to do be say now to begin to construct. And this is very important thing. Now we talk say job no day. Person talk about the 5,000 naira. Imagine if they decide say with this local refineries we won't build. We want to now do pipeline. We go spread across the nation. We want to do rails. We go make sure that distribution of these PMS products go easily. You understand? You don't need to give people 5,000 naira for free.
You create jobs.
Tell them go and work for this 5,000 naira. Some people know they get 50 naira every day.
Yes.
If you give them 5,000, they will work for it. And once you do that, now change.
This lecture is
you don't finish talk on top of this particular discussion. And we did very, very certain. Say every Nigerian when they house today, because of that patriotism we get for our country, and the fact say we want to make this country better, and we all know say for our country better. Now all of us go benefit from them. We go do our best to see say we move our country forward.
Absolutely.
We go shake your hand because every time when you get the opportunity to come inside studio and spend quality time with us to allow you go and something when we say they pay us for body. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when we go come up plenty smoke. Tomorrow we go there even extra fire inside. Make una know me Sam. Make una try. Make sure say una catch us tomorrow on top of City Hot. Why you dey come down there? Show never end. Where you dey go now?
You.
Eh?
Don't worry.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.